MEIZU M6, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language. As you can see, there is plenty of them. In my case it will be English, which is here, US it can be, and then click on continue. Now you have to select the region. I will pick Australia and then click on continue one more time. It's time to come along with user agreement. Just click here to view the whole protocol, and if you will come along with it, click on agree. Then connect to your Wi-Fi. In my case it's HardReset.Info. Wait a couple of seconds, and once it's connected, here's the notification, click on next. And it's time to log in with your Google account if you have one. I agree with all the terms of usage. So at first you have to enter the email address that you have. In my case it's HardReset.Info1@gmail.com. And then tap on next. It's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And once it's entered, click on next. Now you can add this email to this device, click on yes if you want to. And it's time to select the option from Google, for example, backup to Google Drive, help apps and notifications, the location settings. I will pick all of them. You can obviously deactivate some options if you don't want to have them included, but I picked all of them, and it's time to set up your MEIZU as a new one, as a fresh one, or if you would like to download some data from your previous phone, you can select keep your apps and data, but it's my new MEIZU, so I will pick set up as a new. Finally, you can log into Flame account, but I will skip it for now. Just tap on skip. You can also add a fingerprint now, but obviously you can do it later. And now just click on get started. Here we've got the apps that you cannot miss. They are all suggested from MEIZU, but I will skip it for now. You can download them later from your home store. Okay, so we skipped it, and now you can start using your MEIZU from the beginning. So you can set the wallpaper, you can download some apps, add contacts and all the others. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy using your MEIZU. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.